My name's Vanessa Anderson.
Hi, Ms. Vanessa. So how do you feel about Vivix Credit Solutions, your results so far? Can you tell us anything that you gained through your experience?
It's great. Gabriel walked me through everything. He was just holding my hand, encouraged me that this was the right step to go through. And I did feel a little apprehensive in the beginning, but he helped me through and said that this will basically, in another 6 months, you're going to see a total difference in your credit score. And I have. 87% is the ratio overall that was deleted from my account. My credit score now is 634 with Experian, Equifax 595. What's TU?
TransUnion.
TransUnion is now 676. So that's a big leap from 6 months to almost a year ago when it was like 100 to maybe 200 down in credit score. So thank you, Vivix.